Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I made these fantastic Instagram roses. So we're going to be using a pink hat box. We've got some Oasis, got some stripy ribbon, and I've got some foam roses, and I've got some wire cutters in case I need to cut down the roses. To get started, what we're going to do is we're going to take the lid off of the hat box and we're going to pop in the Oasis. We're going to start by taking the roses, and as you can see the stems are quite long, so we're going to fold them open and then we just need to trim them down so that they sit in the Oasis and we can position them where we want them. So we're just going to take the wire cutters and just snip a bit off, and then what we're going to do is we're going to position these so they sit around the edge of the box, and the back of the roses can be manipulated so we can alter the position of the wiring and the rose heads. So we're just going to stick those in, and we're going to continue to do this all of the way around the outer layer of the box. We want to keep them quite neat and quite close together. Once we've got our outer layer of roses and we're happy with the positioning, we can mess around with them just to make sure that they're as you want them, and you can always take them out and pop them back in again. But once we've got our outer layer, we're then going to start with the next layer, and we're going to do exactly the same and start building the roses all around on the inside of those. I try to do it so they're going to sit in between, so when we have two roses there we have one sat in the middle, and then that's how I'm going to position them going all the way round. I just think that that works really nicely to fill in the gaps. As you can see now, it's starting to form quite nicely. And again, what we're going to do now is we're just going to continue and we're going to fill in the centre part, doing exactly the same process as what we've done before. Now we've got our hat box complete with our roses in, and once we're happy with the positioning of the roses, we're just going to take the box lid and I'm going to pop that down, and I'm just going to pop in the box like so, and we're just going to finish it off with our ribbon. So I'm going to cut quite a generous length because now we just need to tie a bow around the middle of it just to finish it off. So now we've got our piece of ribbon, we're going to attempt to tie the perfect bow. I have made a video on this and I will link it below if you wish to check that out to see how I'm going to tie it. So we're going to take the ribbon and we're going to wrap it under. So we have it like that. Then I'm just going to place my finger on the centre, and with the piece in my left hand I'm going to make a loop, and with the piece in my right hand I'm going to wrap it round one full cycle, and then on the second cycle I'm going to push it back underneath the ribbon loop that I've already made, and at the same time I'm going to pull it tight. I'll just retwist that little bit round, and there we can see we have the ribbon where the stripes are all still on the outside. So now I just need to pull that tighter till it looks right, how I want it, trying to get it as tight as possible and as straight as possible. And then once I'm happy with it, I'm just going to put a little cut in the ribbon tails just to make it look a little bit fancier. And there we have our perfect bow on our box. And now I'm going to put my flowers back in. And now you have your completed hat box with your Instagram roses. I really hope you enjoyed seeing how quick and easy it is to make and how fantastic they turn out. I will list down in the description all the materials I used today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye for now.